Hi, I'm Courtney, and I'm creating a picture display on a wooden board. We are first going to size our design using Cricut Design Space. Start a new project. I have uploaded the design already, so I'm going to click on the design that I want to use on our wooden board. The board that I'm using is 24 inches long and about 8 inches wide, so I'm going to size that out to be almost as big as the board width. And then I'm going to highlight everything and weld it together because I'm going to make this as one color. I'm actually going to do it out in white. We're going to put white heat transfer vinyl from Heat Transfer Source. I'm going to be using matte white, and I will be putting that on our barn board. So then we go to make it, and because I have a 24-inch board, we're okay. Otherwise we can slice it and cut it in 2 pieces. And because I'm using HTV for this board, I need to mirror the image. So we clicked on mirror. We definitely want it mirrored because it's going to be HTV. And hit continue. We're ready to go. So now that we're ready to cut, I have my Heat Transfer Source matte white HTV. One side is shiny, the other side has a matted texture feel to it. The texture side goes up, shiny side goes down. We're gonna line that up on our mat. Check to make sure it cut. It looks like this cut awesome. So now we can unload our mat and weed our project. We're ready to heat up our iron and apply it onto our board. Now we're going to take our board. This is a barn board from an old barn that was on my husband's family's farm. So with barnwood, it's been outside for years, so it's not completely smooth. It does have a little bit of texture to it. That's part of the reason why I am using HTV on this project. I'm gonna wipe it off with a little bit of alcohol. We did try to sand it a little bit, and we did put a clear stain on it, but we can still, there's still a lot of texture to the board. We're gonna take our matte HTV from Heat Transfer Source, place it where we want it. I have Teflon paper here that I'm using. So with HTV on wood, you don't want the same kind of pressure that you would use for a shirt. The shirt is porous and it has places for the glue to go, where wood doesn't. It's not going to seep into the wood. So you want pressure, but you don't want to press as hard as you would on clothing. So I'm going to use my mini press and give it some pressure. And just slowly work my way down the sign. Peel it slowly to make sure we got it tacked on. Looks like our pressure is doing pretty good. I don't see too much glue oozing out. If you put too much pressure when you're doing HTV on wood, you'll have a shadow of glue coming out from behind the vinyl. Again, nice and slow, because like I said, my wood is a little bit of a texture to it, so if we have to put it back down, we can. So now that our HTV is on our board, I'm going to use some twine. Put across. Just staple it on the back. Little mini clips so we can hang photos on it. Your photo or knickknacks or whatever you want hung can hang right there.
For new craft videos every Tuesday and Friday, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit that bell. Thanks, everyone.